Hello again, students. This video we are talking about scientific notation. These are numbers that are like so big or so small that if we wrote the number out, it would have so many zeros that it's just hard to look at. So it's a far more convenient way to write very big numbers or very small numbers. And we write them in the form of m, which is some value, times 10 to the nth power, where the factor m is a number greater than 1, greater or equal to 1, but less than 10. So it's a single digit number. It might be 1 point something, but it has to be between 1 and 10. And n has to be a whole number, and it could have a positive value for a big number or a negative value for a small number. When we convert numbers into scientific notation, we determine m by moving the decimal point in the original number to the left or the right, so only one non-zero digit remains to the left of the decimal point. So if I had this big number, 134 million, and there's no decimal point, I would place the decimal point after my last digit, and then I would move it to the left. So it went after, so it would go right there. Now I'll determine n by counting the number of places that I moved the decimal point. So I moved the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this number would be 1.34 times 10 to the 6th power. And that's how we convert numbers with lots of zeros into a nice little scientific notational package. Let's do some practice. Okay, let's write 4,800,000 in scientific notation. Imagine the decimal after the last zero. Put it right there. So it would be 4.8 times 10. How many spots did I move the decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 spots. And since I moved it to the left, I make this a positive value. Now let's write this number in standard notation. So I'm going to move the decimal to the right 6 spots and fill in the rest of the empty spots with zeros. So I would go from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and write zeros here. Place commas after every third digit. Okay, now we have to move this decimal to the right. So it's going to go after the first non-zero digit, or we just need a number between 1 and 10. So I get 1.58. Now how many spots did I move it? 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. And I put this as a negative exponential value because it's representing a value less than 1. Okay, do this one on your own and put your answer This is for -5, so we have to move this decimal to the left. And now do this one on your own and put your answer.